To access RefWorks, go to refworks.proquest.com. Use a login from your institution. Log in with your writer key. If you're using it for the first time, you might have to verify your email address. Now, my favorite way to use it actually is to start at a library database. When you click on an article, on the right-hand side, you will see below citation, export. Click on export, click direct export to RefWorks, click save. You can choose to assign it to a folder or not, and click import. Now you've added this resource to your library. If you would need to change it, for example, this one has capital letters for the author's name, you can click on it. And on the side, you can click on the edit button and retype the name. Now you have not uploaded the document, you've uploaded the record. If you would like to upload the record, you can click add an attachment, and first you'd have to download it from the database. Now, click save. Now if I'd like to cite this, I can click on this here. If I'd like to cite this, I can click on the box to the left, and then click on this cite button at the top. I can create a bibliography or I can create quick cite. Bibliography will give me how it should appear in the references for my paper. There are 6,000 styles in here. I like APA sentence casing for my research. You may use MLA if your professor asks for it, or you can take a look. MLA 8th edition. And copy to clipboard. So I wouldn't actually include this long URL in here. What you can also do is click up here, click the box to the articles that you'd like to use, and then here it gives you the way the in-text citation should appear, and then scroll below and click on Continue to Bibliography. And there you'll have the references for the bibliography. Now I've clicked on my last imported references here to show you that I can create a bibliography, and it will create it for me in order for me to copy and paste. For advanced users, there are folders where you can separate your research topics. You can share your folders with other people, and if you have a lot of references, you can also search through them and add tagging. There are other ways to import references. You can click on the plus here. You can upload a PDF document and it will pull the citation information as much as it can. And you can import references from a file, which we showed you through the database, or you can create a reference manually. One of my favorite features is the add-on that can be applied to Google Docs or to Microsoft Word. This is the Google Docs version. As I'm working in my paper, if I would like to cite somebody, I can search through my references right here, and it places an in-text citation for me and also adds the references. So you can imagine as I continue through my paper, and if I would like to cite somebody else, I can cite that person, and then the reference will continue to appear. If you need help, please visit guides.rider.edu/refworks. You will see screenshots of how to do most of these things and more. Our virtual research assistant hours are listed at the top of the page, and you can click on chat to chat with a librarian who can help you with more advanced usage of the database. We also will add our recorded webinars for you to learn more. Thank you.